Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We are in for another hot and dry day today. We're also under an air quality alert again, and we'll be tracking some stronger winds across northern Arizona over the coming days. Today, Phoenix tops out at 105 degrees, hot, dry with some of those high clouds continuing to drift in through the afternoon. So partly cloudy to eventually mostly clear by this evening. Our heat risk still climbing into the moderate range today. So even though we don't have any heat alerts, know that the risk is still there for dehydration or heat exhaustion if you're not taking the appropriate precautions, making sure you're hydrating, maybe avoiding being outdoors during the hottest hours of the day this afternoon. That high pollution advisory for ozone again, as it looks like ozone concentrations could again reach unhealthy levels for people with breathing sensitivities. Now, a bit of good news over the coming days. It does look now that those ozone concentrations will be dropping to just below those unhealthy levels tomorrow and Friday, but we will be under an ozone health watch on Thursday. That health watch also possible on Friday. High pressure sitting to our southeast, a disturbance tracking to our northwest. That is what's bringing some of those breezes that will increase in speed across our state as we go into tomorrow. Then high pressure builds back in, and that is bringing hot weather back our way to finish out the week. Today, believe it or not, there's a slight chance of some drier thunderstorms in far southeast Arizona, but the rest of the state looking dry with just some high level clouds pushing through. Temperatures these next few days will be climbing after hitting 105 today. We're back to 106 on Thursday, and by Friday and Saturday, we're back up near 110. Now, know that winds over the coming days, at least in northern Arizona, will get a little stronger. Here in the valley, light breezes, but up north, we'll feel those wind gusts near 30 miles an hour today, and tomorrow they could get stronger. Now, the wildfire danger is still at critical levels, and this is typically one of our most dangerous times of year when it comes to wildfires because of the very dry conditions and the hotter weather. Winds, though, will be increasing over the coming days, so that'll heighten that fire danger, especially tomorrow. You'll notice as we look at that fire danger forecast across northern Arizona, we're seeing those that fire danger increasing in the moderate to high range by Thursday afternoon. No rain in sight, but we are keeping a close eye on this, the first tropical storm of the season in the East Pacific. Now Tropical Storm Aletta. It looks to strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane by tomorrow before weakening as it moves into some cooler water. No impacts to land with this storm system, so it won't be moving our way, but there is a chance maybe we'll tap into some of that moisture by the middle of next week. Again, thanks to that tropical system. Something we'll be watching. Still too far out to be sure whether we're going to get any storm chances, but something to watch for sure. In the meantime, plan on a dry weekend here in the valley with hot weather. Temperatures today across the valley make it into the low 100s. We will be just above the average for this time of year. 30-year average is 102. We hit 105 today in Phoenix, 91 in Sedona, 80 in Flagstaff. Overnight tonight, those lows cooling off into the 40s in Flagstaff and down into the mid to upper 70s for Phoenix tomorrow morning. You'll notice a lot of those 70s by sunrise tomorrow, so another mild start to the day, and then tomorrow afternoon getting a little hotter. 106 for Thursday, 108 for Friday, near 110 by Saturday, breezy on Sunday, and then a slight drop in temperatures as we kick off next week.